we in crab and say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Albert Amoa, which is subjected to final announcement. Kotoko ne we medicals aka ni aka se Kotoko be officially be announced deal no. Albert Amoa and that screen also no. Now Oba be the second player Krobia ever signed from Great Olympics this particular season. Already Kasim the also a concoho, but we be the second player or a player unimbo boye pa elsewhere. Play on the screen is with Saaka Dauda and also Bofoakwa. There is an update no yade bro ewofia aha a celebration na ekoso abrana Great Olympics ashego in the just ended Ghana Premier League no Albert and that screen is we or a striker onimbo papa onimbo Kotoko trying the 7th signing of officially so be making official because it's so far Kotoko I confirm it 6 players say o ma sign no mo now the entity say Albert Amoa ebe tosu 7 and I say 8 depending of Donzo de no ewo ho Donzo de no mom kai say ewo ho Donzo free Guinea Hafia club ewo ho but away information I can say Albert so Kotoko ni na wie na Kobasa na strikers no so edo so pa but understand say Kumasi Asante Kotoko new team a omo hye no on person omo ye ni say positions bia na at least bubenya players mienu enti key positions bi wo ho a na aye miensa but no nti omo pe about 26 man squad na omo de around the season that Kumasi Asante Kotoko animu no no information kakra mati so Albert Amoa to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no officially done it is subjected to final announcement Kotoko be a player na striker free Great Olympics eba on board unimbo papa na not too long ago Premier League course so Ghana no or play significant role for Great Olympics but it's quite unfortunate say Olympics for no ends me survival and omukoye. The latest update from Bofoakwa say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Bofoakwa Tano. Finally, Bofoakwa Tano accepted the proposal of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now proposal of Kumasi Asante Kotoko no and saying proposal of Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne say 200,000 Ghana cedis and Bofoakwa Tano epeno. Kotoko echro komo mo say yesika yebitime atwa 150,000 Ghana cedis enti eno na ewo ho and na onwo transfer fee no so omo arechi on agreeable percentage a Kotoko e transfer ni dachi bia ombenya omo share from it information e ba nse Bofoakwa for no atiase a enche Kotoko so ebe wie